Shantou Jackson Intelligent Machinery Company Limited is the leading manufacturer of hardware machinery in the world, integrated with design, R&D, production, and sales, devoted to providing customers with intelligent automated production solutions. Our company has been deeply engaged in the industry of automated production equipment for metal products, such as stainless steel and aluminum for over a decade, specializing in the production of vacuum bottles, lunchbox, gym pan, kitchenware, tableware, sink, glass lid, etc. We provide turnkey factory production solution, from raw materials, production processes, equipment molds, to factory layout, production auxiliary materials, and talent cultivation, which is one-stop advice and services, making the complex production system more efficient, intelligent, and convenient. Our headquarters is located in Shantou, China, with 80 employees, and our factory covers an area of over 9,000 square meters, with equipment exhibition center, technical engineering center, testing center, and training center. We have branches in India and Pakistan, which have over 600 square meters and 18 engineers, with a warehouse for commonly used maintenance parts. Our business has covered many countries, including India, Turkey, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Egypt, Iran, the United Kingdom, Salvador, Guatemala, Mexico, Colombia, Algeria, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand. So far, with our support, more than 200 overseas factories have been set up. Among these factories, there are many well-known brands and listed companies from various industries, adhering to the company's mission, vision, and values. Our performance has been double increased every year for the past 5 years. Many customers choose Jackson because they recognize our professional capabilities, quality, and consistent service quality. Professionality. Having been deeply involved in the industry for many years, Jackson has accumulated profound technical expertise. With a profound understanding of technical solutions, we provide customized production line, layout planning, and full factory output services for our clients' factories, so that customers don't need to worry about the supporting construction of the production line. Technical capacity, standardization, technological innovation, and putting quality as priority are the tenets we adhere to. Up to now, our company has obtained ISO 9001, 18 patents, and CE certification, constantly making innovations and technological updates for the development of the industry, striving to make our technologies and services more refined and specialized. Timeliness. We promise to complete the order within 1 month after getting the deposit from customer. Training. We provide one-stop complete services, including machines, molds, and talent training. The comprehensive training system enables clients' team to quickly master the advanced technologies. High-quality services from the very beginning of the product until its commissioning and subsequent maintenance. Our team has been closely following the client's requirements and situations, responding promptly and providing professional and meticulous services to address the client's concerns, providing customers with high-quality pre-sale, after-sales services, and quick solution for their production problems. Jackson Intelligent never stops on the way of intelligent industry. Our team, with a belief of striving, is committed to achieving mutual benefit and win-win business with our clients. Selecting Jackson Intelligent, you are choosing a trustworthy partner. Let's hand in hand, moving together for a bright future of industrial development.